Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use the find function on the find application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the find application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way around to the dock, go to the find application, and now what we will do is use the find function to search for a specific folder or folders, and then we can use that find function as a quick way to navigate to those folders that we are searching for. So let's now go to the top toolbar, go to File, Find, and now let's go to Folder, and this will give us all the folders within this Mac. Let's now go to Name, and we'll search for Videos. So this will now give us every folder that contains the word videos, as well as documents, any mail and messages, contacts, events, images, PDF files, movies, presentations, spreadsheets, and other. So what we can do is save this find function or search feature as part of our sidebar, so then if we need to access this again, it's readily available. Let's now click on save after we save as searching this Mac.saved search, where saved searches. So this will create a new folder. We'll go to that in a moment. Add to sidebar, click on save. So let's now close Finder for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock, go to the find application, go to the sidebar, go to searching this Mac, and the search function that we created is now readily available. Let's go one back, and now let's go back a directory. And now I am in the main directory for Computer Science Videos, and we are searching for saved searches. What we'll have to do is go all the way to the top toolbar. We will now be required to click on Option, and there we have Library. Let's now search for saved searches. There we go. And there we go. Searching this Mac. Click on this, and there we have all these available searches ready for us to use for another day or tutorial. So let's now quit Finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.